Many times our vehicles run out of electricity without warning and we do not know the causes. The reasons for these failures may be related to the electricity generated by the battery or alternator. If you do not know anything about electricity in cars, I do not recommend you to do very complicated things, since when altering the wiring or the branch line, things can get very complicated and even the car may not start anymore. So now let's go to the most common faults. Number 1. Spark plug failures. Spark plugs are in charge of starting the combustion process. If more than 2 spark plugs fail, that is 2 cylinders will be dead, the car will not start. Otherwise, if they work in the wrong way, it will affect the combustion cycle. This is one of the easiest faults to detect and fix. Number 2. Fuses. Any blown fuse can be the cause of an electrical problem, such as the fuel pump, among others. The fuses are in charge of protecting the components of the vehicle against voltage surges. I recommend you always look at the cover that covers the fuses, as it will indicate the pattern and amperage, and look if they are broken and replace them with the proper amperage, not to put less. Number 3. Alternator failure. Its main function is to generate electricity to recharge the battery while the vehicle is running. If it is failing, it will discharge the battery and we will be left with an accident. It can also cause problems in the alternator belt, resulting in a malfunction in the vehicle. For this, check the needle that indicates the voltage. If the voltage is less than 12, the alternator is having problems. Number 4. Battery failure. A bad component, a bad contact, a radio, whatever can cause the battery to lose charge immediately, and we are with the annoyance of disconnecting the terminal every time we get out of our car. To recharge the battery, we would simply put it to load in a battery charger, or we would help it with another one that has load. If your battery is totally dead, I recommend one of the videos where I explain how to revive it again. If you have some very complex electrical failure, I recommend you to go to a specialist and not to be inventing with the cables. So subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.